Did you know that you can turn a Power Automate flow into a web service? Let's have a look at a simple example. First step, create a new project and select Instant Cloud Flow. Give it a name, then select when HTTP request is received. If we look at the trigger, we can select who's able to run this flow. We can have any user in a tenant, anyone at all, or we can specify particular users. Also note that a URL will be generated after we save this flow for the first time. We can create inputs to this flow by providing a sample JSON payload, which can then be used to automatically create a JSON schema. Under Advanced Parameters, we'll select Method and choose Post. Next, we'll select the Compose action, where we'll generate a simple output. We'll say hello, and then the company name we passed in as an input parameter. For the final step in this path, we'll add a response action where we can return the status code of 200 and we'll return the output of that compose action. Now we may want to add in some basic error handling. So what we'll do, we'll add a condition to check whether the company parameter was actually passed in. So we'll do a simple formula, say if the company is empty, then we'll add another response action and we'll return a status code of 400 for a bad request, and we'll just have a simple message in the body saying missing company. And we mustn't forget that we have to add a terminate action to make sure the flow stops at this point. Once we've done this, we can save the flow, which will then generate that URL. We'll grab that. Then we can jump into Postman, create a new request. We'll make sure it's a post request. And in Power Automate, we'll set up a manual test run. And for the first time, we'll run it without passing in any body. And as you can see, we get a 400 bad request with that missing company error. And we can see that it's run on the expected path and it's terminated where expected. Let's test the flow again. And this time we'll pass in the body with the company. And this time we can see it returns 200, status OK, and we get the message back as well. Finally, we can see that the flow has run again on the path that we expected. And if you got some value out of this demo today, then please like and subscribe for more.